All right, let's continue now with learning about these welding machines. This is a soft stone, and they're hard stones that you can resurface this armature with right here. You only want a mechanic to do that unless you're very skilled. This soft stone is crumbly, and what it does, it takes the carbon buildup off of the copper armature. It makes it shiny again. It's a little bit like sanding something very mildly. And so this is what you want to do. You want to wear some gloves, and it'd be better if you have some pliers, some long needle nose pliers, and you're going to take this thing, this machine on, and you can be idling, or it can be high speed, and you want to touch it against this, and you're going to work it back and forth, and it's going to clean this black carbon off, and when you get it shiny, that's going to be golden. You're going to do the same thing out here to your exciter armature. This part of this armature is what makes your DC power for your power tools, and also it causes this main armature to start working and produce your welding generating power. You can do it a couple of ways. Some people put it like this with the machine on and spinning. Some people do it like this, put a little pressure down. This one actually has a little carbon on it, and I'm going to turn it on and you can see how I'm going to make it shine. Different ways, but the main thing is you want to be safe. This thing's spinning. You don't want it to reach out and grab some loose shirt or something and be stupid. Can't fix stupid, right? All right.